We are here today doing a rally for ACC reform. And with me is one of the protesters that I'm actually going to interview right now. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Elena Nazzaro O'Brien. I'm from Staten Island, New York.
Staten Island, New York. Have you ever had an experience with the ACC, whether it be adopting or volunteering or anything like that?
Yes, absolutely. I've been advocating for animals at the ACC for many, many years now. I have rescues in my home right now that are from the ACC environment.
How do you feel about the ACC euthanizing adoptable animals?
I think that if you're going to call yourself a no-kill shelter, then that's exactly what that definition is. And you can't say you're an animal care center if you're not truly caring for these animals.
I agree with you 100%. They definitely need to go no-kill. There's too much going on in there. Another question I have is the ACC has been giving animals expired medication according to the comptroller's audit in 2015. Also, there are unsanitary conditions. And what is your feeling on that?
Well, this is a very problematic existence. It's going on year after year. They're well aware of it. The animals come in healthy. They go out unhealthy. Or they come in healthy and they end up getting euthanized because they state they are unhealthy. In fact, the ACC is actually the environment that is making them sick. On intake, they are not doing any kind of prevention, and they are administering them, as you said, expired drugs, which are not going to help them.
Absolutely. Would you agree that the ACC should be held accountable, as well as the Department of Health, now that you know what's going on?
I mean, absolutely. I mean, New York City is funding the ACC. The ACC is taking a lot of credit for their percentages of saves. Meantime, those saves are coming majority from the rescues out there who are taking the burden of the cost to help these animals when they're sick, and they're removing them from that environment and actually getting them the homes. And ACC is taking the credit for those numbers, when in fact ACC's numbers are very low and they're actually causing them to get sick, and they're euthanizing healthy animals. A dog or cat with kennel cough can be medically fine within 2 weeks of antibiotics. Not expired, obviously, but
absolutely.
Yes.
Well, what are your feelings about the mayor making promises that he couldn't keep on animal welfare? How do you feel about that?
Well, you know, the mayor did a really bad thing by misleading the people during his plugging of his campaign to become the mayor of the city by stating that he would actually make this a no-kill city. Now, New York City is one of the greatest cities in the entire United States, and if we, the most financial and wonderful city in the United States, can't become no-kill, how can we set an example for the rest of the entire United States of America?
Absolutely. Thank you for the interview.
You're very welcome.